It's actually a 6.7 Cummins. That's a 5.9 displacement. We sleeved it down, and it runs 4 kits of nitrous. And we do a lot of diesel racing with it, but we also do a lot of no prep and street stuff with it as well. So this is right up our alley. We do a lot of stuff with Olympia and things like that. We're from Austin, Texas, and that's actually where we do most of our racing, is Austin, San Antonio, and Little River area. But this is a lot of fun. There's a lot of people out here. So this is a little bit out of our comfort zone. We're more street, but it's still a lot of fun. And it's the first time we've been here. First time we've been to Yellow Belly. So
yeah, me too.
Me
too. So. And what's the name of y'all's performance shop? Y'all have a performance shop?
Yeah. So Truck Source Diesel built this truck. Pretty much all in-house, electronics, the fabrication, the motor, pretty much everything. It was done by Truck Source Diesel out of San Antonio.
Okay.
So,
and what's the plans with it? Like, y'all gonna keep street racing with it, or?
Yes, absolutely. We want to ramp up that and do more of it, get better at it, and get faster as well.
Okay.
So yes, we want to mainly focus on the street racing side of things.
Okay then, man. Well, I appreciate your time, sir. We're gonna see you out there.
Yes, sir. Thank you.